I got this finished. I'm gonna sand down the rest of it. I'm gonna paint it primer and then paint it red. I think red and black is gonna be nice color combination. And then after I get everything all fixed up, I'm going to put the motor on it. I'm letting all my old bicycle parts soak in some vinegar so that it could actually get the rust off. Hopefully that'll get all the rust off though, but we'll see. So in the last episode I have painted this light chrome. However, since the last episode something happened. It looks like it fell and now there's a dent in it with like cracks and stuff. So I don't know what happened there. I think it fell. So I'm gonna have to resand this, put putty in it, and then repaint it and primer it. But these, I decided to paint the light and the fenders black instead of chrome, so that it'll go good with the red frame that I'm gonna have. And then there's the back. We put putty on this, and then I sanded it down with 180 grit, and now it's smooth as butter. Now I have to sand this off, clean it all off from where it's been in the sun for a little while. So now it's time to paint the fenders black. In the last episode, there was a comment saying that I should not put the fenders back on the bicycle because it could fall off and cause me to wreck. Well, the fenders on this bike, they bolt in two places, and I was thinking about getting rubber mounts to cause all the vibrations to go away. I know that you can't get 100% of the vibrations to go away, but if most of the vibrations are gone, then the bolts won't unscrew, and then the fender won't fall off, causing me to wreck. Okay, so I got the first brake off. All I had to do was unscrew it right here, and it just slid right off. Now on the back brake, which is over there, I'm going to have to do the same thing, which is not that difficult. I already PB blasted the bolt right here, and all I got to do is just unscrew it, make it to the easier. The nut goes on first, then it's the washer, and then it's whatever this thing is. So for future reference, nut, then the washer, and then this thing. It goes in this order, so I won't forget, like that. And then it just slides right out like this. I don't need to lose these parts either. I didn't get that. That ain't coming off. This one's. Oh, that's strange. Okay, so that's off.
Dang it, that little tread on it. Dude, I think you want something like it. And you think your other one is a 20 cent?
The other one,
I don't think the 175, I think is the difference.
well, that's fine. But would that be good treads?
That's all they got, 26.
Okay.
They got this 26.
Yeah, here it is. Single speed or 3-speed. Master link included for easy installation. Probably what I need right here. So I got a new chain for this bicycle. It is a 3 for single or 3-speed. So hopefully this will fit, and if not, then I could take it back because I still have the receipt for Walmart. But that's what I hope works. Before I start painting, I'm going to have to wash off the bike with the degreaser and the water hose. I still gotta get that part right there and this part. I need to get this whole back area right here sanded and I'll be done, because all this is smoothed out. I can put primer over it and then paint it. Okay guys, I'm going to start painting the thing red, which if you already see this, I painted some of it already. I thought my GoPro was recording, but it wasn't. I mean, I don't know if it is at this time, but if it wasn't, then that's what happened. But here we go. I'm gonna paint it some more. Also, it does not matter if I paint over this. I'm going to repaint over that later with black. Same with this. Same with that. Now, the one main thing I do want to be careful about is this area where the ball bearings are. I don't want to let the paint dry on that. Anyway, I'm almost out of spray paint, so I'm going to have to wait until it dries to do a second layer. Even though it's kind of hard to get right there. which I'm going to get. See, as you can see, it looks a whole lot better already. There's a few touch-ups I gotta do, which with a second coat, I'm gonna have to flip this whole thing over and do this side down here. Still gotta do a little bit right there, but other than that, I mean, I also gotta do this whole other side too. But it's just about, the bottom is just about finished. I'd like to get this down here though. This camera is about to die, so I hope that I'll be able to film some of this. All I gotta do is talk around here.
Well, I hope y'all guys enjoyed this video. I am very stoked at how this turned out. I am really happy with the paint job. If y'all like this video, please like and please subscribe to the channel for more content like this. I'll be posting more videos on my bicycle, and I'll see you in the next video.